Assalamualaikum dear viewers. This owner he changed first he changed the door sensor, then he changed the water level sensor, then he changed the water inlet bulb. Okay, then also still same problem. Its problem is unable to wash, cannot wash, it's overflow. Just water refill and refill. Water doesn't stop. So we'll see what is the problem, what was the main issue. See, the owner he changed the water level sensor and he changed the water inlet bulb. Then I think he modified door sensor also. Yeah, door sensor also he modified, but still same problem. And he changed the hose pipe also. Still same problem. We have checked the hose pipe. He fixed properly. It's nice way he fixed. It was nice. Now we'll push here air, then we'll see it's a washing or not. Yeah, please turn it on. Put water level. No need. You put water level
Low.
low.
Where is the water level?
This is water level. Okay. Okay. Enough.
Enough?
Okay. Yeah. So it's now requesting for water. So we'll put air pressure slowly. Showing the error code. So viewers, we put air pressure by mouth again. E6 is showing. So he changed the water level sensor. We'll change again, then see how is it. Reverse. Now we have changed the old one, original one. Okay, slowly. It's washing or not? Should wash. Slowly press and more. Yeah, okay, enough. Not enough. Little bit more. Yeah, okay. Hold it. Not enough. Gone.
Low করে দেন
We'll press set here low. Now try. Yeah, it's washing. So see, we put air pressure by mouth. So yeah, so air pressure has gone. That's why it's stopped. So his fault was only the sensor. He changed the new sensor. It doesn't match. So its original is working. So that's it. It was his fault. So last time, at first, main reason was the door sensor. It was a door sensor D error code. Then he modified. After that change D error code. At first it was problem, the door sensor problem. Then he modified. Then after that, one by one it has gone to a problem. Then not washing and water doesn't stop. So step by step. So still he was unable to fix this problem. Then he called me. Then I have come. Then we have found this problem only. He buy this. It was fault only. But at first main problem was door sensor, but he modified direct put it each other. So it was okay, fine.
This one was
Then
this
it-
one.
Then after that he changed this because water was overflow. He changed this. After that he changed again this, but now it has fault on the water level sensor. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So dear viewers, alhamdulillah, so now it's working fine.